Manty, Manty, tomorrow we are launching our newest product. One of our newest goodies for this year. We're launching our newest chicken wings. We are launching it. Spicy and juicy chicken wings. You can't miss out. Don't miss this one. Look at the way I'm marinating it. This is the first layer of marinade. I'm going to put it down to tomorrow and I'll marinate it again. My son's marinating it be masa. Don't miss out. This juicy and spicy chicken wings. Ebeye dessert. Manty, where your first layer, me your first coat. Tomorrow is going for just 20 cedis per pack. 20 cedis per pack. Don't forget to order yours. The numbers are on your screen. Pick it and place your order. Hey, juicy, spicy chicken wings, Papa B.